Greetings to all the guests and followers of my channel. I'm excited to review the incredibly attractive, well-made, and reasonably priced Blackview X20 watch today. For just $19, you can purchase this watch from the official Blackview store on AliExpress between June 1 and June 7. The watch's URL will be available in the video's description below, but I advise you to watch this movie through to the conclusion before placing an order. The Blackview X20 is packaged in a small, attractive box. When you open the package, the picture-rich instruction booklet is the first thing you see. Additionally, there is a QR code that may be used to download the app and sync your watch and smartphone. A magnetic charging contact and unique sensors are located on the rear of the watch casing. The 1.43-inch circular AMOLED screen on the front ensures that the dial is always visible, thanks to the always-on display functionality. There are 466 by 466 pixels in the screen resolution. There are two buttons on the right side of the case. One to access the expanded watch menu with sports modes and other settings, and another to switch the screen on or off, and go back to the main desktop. Unusually for a smartwatch this cheap, the Blackview X20 even comes with a few basic but enjoyable games. Notably, it is one of the few inexpensive smartwatches with its own speaker and microphone. The watch features a 380 mAh battery, and is driven by a CPU. It can be used actively for roughly 5 days on a single charge, and it takes around an hour to charge from empty to 100%. The X20 smartwatch does not have a stated level of protection, but the maker tells us that it can withstand splashes from hand washing and other small amounts of water. The Blackview X20 does not hurt and sits gently on the wrist. The touchscreen on the watch is the only means of control. Swipes and taps are supported. The primary menu items, which include the heart rate monitor, steps done, calories burned, weather, and more, may be accessed by swiping left. Long pressing the home screen will allow you to select from a variety of watch face options. The heart rate and blood oxygen levels are measured via the sensors on the bottom of the casing, and they perform admirably. It's a really handy feature because the weather on your watch and smartphone synchronize to allow you to see the current weather and the forecast for the following few days. You can make calls right from the watch by adding up to 20 contacts from your smartphone to the phone directory. Even better, you can speak with the voice assistant on your smartphone by calling it. This feature really impressed me. For those seeking an affordable and highly functioning smartwatch, the Blackview X20 is a device to take into account. Remember to click the link in the description to make the purchase. This concludes our quick overview of the Blackview X20 wristwatch. Your support in the form of likes, comments, and channel subscriptions would be greatly appreciated. Have a nice day and God bless you.